In this video, I'll show you how to set up Mailchimp automation step by step so you can save time and focus on growing your business. If you're looking to make your email marketing more efficient and effective, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus for you to get started with Mailchimp for free. First, let's dive straight into how to get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, check the link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. Next thing, we need to create an audience for your automation. This is where your contacts will be stored. You can segment your audience based on different factors like their behavior, interests, or engagement level. Once you've set up your audience, you're ready to create an automation. Now, go ahead and click on the Automations tab in the Mailchimp dashboard. You'll be taken to a page where you can set up different types of automated workflows. You can choose a pre-built template or create one from scratch. The key here is selecting a workflow that suits your goals, like welcome emails, product recommendations, or follow-ups. The fourth thing is to set up the trigger for your automation. A trigger is the action that will kick off the automation. For example, you could set a trigger for when someone subscribes to your list, when a subscriber opens an email, or even when they make a purchase. Setting the right trigger is crucial because it ensures your emails reach the right people at the right time. Next, let's move on to adding the content. You'll want to make sure your emails look great and match your brand's voice. Inside Mailchimp, you can create and design beautiful emails with their drag-and-drop email editor. You can also personalize emails to make them feel more tailored to the recipient, which can increase engagement. The sixth thing is timing. You can set your emails to be sent at specific times, like right after someone subscribes or several days after a purchase. Timing is important to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Now that you've set up your automation, it's time to test it. Always send a test email to yourself before going live. This helps you catch any mistakes and make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with how it works, hit Start to activate your automation. Finally, remember to monitor your results. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics that shows you how well your automation is performing. Look at metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. You can adjust your automation based on these results to improve performance. And that's it. You've now set up your Mailchimp automation. By the way, don't forget, if you want to try Mailchimp for free with exclusive bonuses, check the link below. This is a limited time offer you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.